table of 3. Yes, we get start learning table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 5 are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7 are 21. 3 8 are 24. 3 9 are 27. 3 tens are 30. Good job! Subscribe the channel for more videos.